Dear student, I am going to solve the practice exercise of the chapter 1, the sentences. Here the question is given: draw a vertical line between the subject and the predicate in the following sentences. In these questions, we have to only draw the line Dinu can come with us to the movie. Here Dinu is the subject and draw a line in between subject and predicate. Dinu is a subject and can come with us to the movie is a predicate. Rohit is my best friend. Rohit is a subject and is my best friend is a predicate. The moon is shining brightly. The moon is a subject and is shining brightly is a predicate. Kavita is writing a letter. Kavita is a subject and is writing a letter is a predicate. Dinner will be ready in 15 minutes. So dinner is a subject and will be ready in 15 minutes is a predicate. The firemen are extinguishing the fire. Here the firemen is a subject and are extinguishing the fire is a predicate. We went to lunch with Anita and her mother today. So we is a subject here and went to lunch with Anita and her mother today is a predicate. Ankit and Madhur worked hard on their project. So Ankit and Madhur is a subject and worked hard on their project is a predicate. Now last two questions. A large number of swimmers competed in the race this year. A large number of swimmers is a subject and competed in the race of this year is a predicate. The tired old man is a subject and came in from the train. Came in from the rain is a predicate. Thus question number 1, question number A is completed. And in question number B, it is said, draw a vertical line between the complete subject and complete predicate in the following sentence. Here complete subject and the complete predicate. Like the same, the first questions which I have solved, all these questions are look like the same. In question number 1, I want a new car. Here I is a subject and draw a vertical line. Also here draw a vertical line. I want a new car. So I is a subject and want a new car is a predicate. Damini is fine. Damini is subject and is fine is a predicate. The sun is rising. The sun is subject and is rising is a predicate. She wrote the letter. She is a subject and wrote the letter is a predicate. She is a complete subject. Wrote the letter is a complete predicate. The farmers are plowing the field. The farmers is a complete subject and are plowing the field is a complete predicate. Dhoni is an amazing captain. Dhoni is a subject and is an amazing captain is a predicate. The storm clouds are getting darker. The storm clouds is a subject and are getting darker. So complete predicate. The storm judge ruled that the defendant was not guilty. Here the storm judge is a subject and ruled that the defendant was not guilty is a predicate. Dogs, cats and turtles make the best pets. Here dog, cats and turtle is a complete subject and make the best pet is a complete predicate. His brother's leg will heal in a few months. His brother's leg is a complete subject and will heal in a few months is a complete predicate.